Welcome to Bulgaria's Black Sea coast, a blend of golden beaches, vibrant resorts, and towns steeped in centuries of stories. Perched on a picturesque peninsula, Sozopol stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of Bulgaria's Black Sea coast. In the 7th century BC, Greek sailors founded Apollonia, later known as Sozopol, a vital center of trade and commerce. Its sheltered harbor connected the Black Sea region with the Greek world. The city boasted impressive temples and a bustling marketplace. The legacy of this Greek heritage is deeply embedded in Sozopol's DNA. In the 1st century AD, the Roman Empire absorbed Apollonia, bringing significant changes. Roman rule introduced public baths, aqueducts, and other structures. Christianity gradually replaced the old Greek pantheon. The city's name transitioned to Sozopolis, reflecting the growing influence of Christianity. The Ottoman Empire conquered Sozopol in the 15th century, adding mosques and minarets to its skyline. Despite Ottoman rule, Sozopol's Bulgarian identity persisted, becoming a center of the Bulgarian national revival in the 19th century. The town's architecture reflects its rich history and national pride. Stepping into Sozopol's old town is like stepping back in time. Narrow cobblestone streets wind through charming wooden houses adorned with intricate carvings. These houses, dating back to the 19th century, are a testament to the Bulgarian national revival. The distinctive overhanging upper floors create intimacy and shade. The facades feature elaborate wood carvings and vibrant shutters. These architectural details reflect Bulgarian craftsmanship and heritage. Sozopol's ancient walls and archaeological sites transport us back to its earliest beginnings. The remnants of the ancient city walls stand as a testament to Sozopol's strategic importance. Archaeological sites offer glimpses into the lives of the town's earliest inhabitants. Excavations have unearthed Roman baths, Byzantine churches, and a Thracian necropolis. These discoveries provide valuable insights into the cultural and religious practices of Sozopol's past. The Archaeological Museum showcases a remarkable collection of artifacts from Sozopol's past. The museum's collection spans millennia, from prehistoric pottery to Byzantine icons. Interactive displays and multimedia presentations bring history to life. The sea is Sozopol's lifeblood, shaping its economy, culture, and daily life. The presence of the sea is inescapable, influencing the town's identity. The sea continues to attract visitors with its pristine beaches and fresh seafood. Sozopol's bustling harbor is a hive of activity, reflecting its intimate bond with the sea. Fishermen mend their equipment, their movements honed by generations of experience. The harbor is a place where Sozopol's past and present converge. Ancient stone jetties stand alongside modern marinas, blending old and new. The Black Sea provides a bountiful source of culinary delights for Sozopol. The town's restaurants offer the freshest catches of the day. Traditional Bulgarian fish soup, ribna chorba, is a must-try. A meal in Sozopol is an opportunity to savor the freshest seafood, prepared with passion and expertise. Sozopol's allure extends far beyond its ancient ruins and picturesque harbor. The town is a vibrant tapestry woven from threads of diverse cultures, each leaving an indelible mark on its character and traditions. From its Greek origins to its Roman and Byzantine influences and its time under Ottoman rule, Sozopol has been shaped by the ebb and flow of civilizations, resulting in a unique blend of East and West that permeates every aspect of life. Walking through the town's narrow cobblestone streets, you'll encounter architectural styles that reflect this rich heritage. Byzantine churches, with their soaring domes and intricate frescoes, stand as reminders of Sozopol's early Christian past, while Ottoman-era mosques, with their slender minarets, add a touch of exoticism to the skyline. The charming wooden houses of the Old Town, with their distinctive Bulgarian revival architecture, showcase the town's resurgent national identity in the 19th century. But Sozopol's cultural tapestry extends beyond its physical structures. It's in the warm hospitality of its people, the vibrant flavors of its cuisine, and the echoes of traditional music that fill the air on summer evenings. It's in the stories passed down through generations, tales of ancient mariners, skilled artisans, and the enduring spirit of a town that has weathered countless storms. This cultural fusion is perhaps most vividly expressed during the Apollonia Arts Festival, an annual celebration of music, theater, dance, and visual arts that transforms Sozopol into a stage for artistic expression. Every year, as summer reaches its peak, the ancient town of Sozopol undergoes a magical transformation. The cobblestone streets, already imbued with the echoes of centuries past, come alive with the sounds of music, laughter, and applause as the Apollonia Arts Festival takes center stage.
Named after the town's Greek moniker Apollonia, the festival is a testament to Sozopol's enduring spirit as a cultural crossroads. For several weeks, the town becomes a melting pot of artistic expression, drawing performers and art enthusiasts from Bulgaria and beyond.
The festival's program is a vibrant tapestry of classical music concerts, theatrical performances, open-air film screenings, and art exhibitions, showcasing both renowned and emerging artists.
What makes the Apollonia Arts Festival truly special is its unique setting. Performances take place not only in traditional theatres and concert halls, but also in some of Sozopol's most iconic historical landmarks.
Imagine attending a classical music concert within the ancient city walls, the sound of violins and cellos echoing off the weathered stones, or watching a theatrical performance under the starlit sky in the ancient amphitheater, the sea breeze carrying the actors' voices across the audience.
The festival breathes new life into Sozopol's historical sites, creating a dialogue between the past and the present. It's a reminder that art has the power to transcend time, connecting us to the creative spirit of generations past, while inspiring new forms of expression in the present.
A fusion of tradition and innovation. The spirit of Apollonia. The Apollonia Arts Festival is more than just a celebration of the arts. It's a reflection of Sozopol's unique cultural identity.
The festival's program seamlessly blends traditional Bulgarian folk music and dance with contemporary theatrical productions, classical music concerts featuring renowned orchestras, and experimental art installations that push the boundaries of creative expression.
This fusion of tradition and innovation is at the heart of Sozopol's cultural heritage. Just as the town's architecture reflects layers of history, its artistic landscape embraces both its rich past and its vibrant present.
The Apollonia Arts Festival provides a platform for this dialogue, fostering cross-cultural exchange and inspiring new artistic collaborations.
The festival also serves as a reminder that art has the power to unite people from all walks of life. During the Apollonia Arts Festival, The streets of Sozopol are filled with locals and visitors alike, drawn together by their shared love of music, theater, and the arts.
The atmosphere is electric, with a palpable sense of excitement and anticipation as audiences eagerly await each performance.
For those fortunate enough to experience the Apollonia Arts Festival, it's a reminder of the transformative power of art and its ability to connect us to the very soul of a place. It's an experience that lingers long after the final curtain falls, leaving an indelible mark on the heart and soul. A day in the life, embracing the rhythms of Sozopol. In Sozopol, daily life unfolds at a leisurely pace, guided by the rhythms of the sea and the warmth of the Bulgarian sun.
As dawn breaks over the Black Sea, casting a golden glow on the terracotta rooftops of the old town, the town begins to stir. Fishermen, their faces weathered by the sea breeze, push their boats out of the harbor, their nets laden with the promise of a fresh catch.
The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts from local bakeries, enticing early risers with the promise of a simple yet delicious breakfast. The streets, still relatively quiet, echo with the footsteps of locals making their way to the market, their baskets ready to be filled with the day's freshest produce.
As the sun climbs higher in the sky, Sozopol streets come alive with a gentle bustle. Locals gather in cafes, sipping strong Turkish coffee and catching up on the latest news, their conversations a soothing hum against the backdrop of the sea breeze.
Tourists, their cameras at the ready, wander through the cobblestone streets, captivated by the town's timeless beauty. The afternoon brings a welcome respite from the midday heat. Beaches beckon with their golden sands and crystal clear waters, offering a refreshing escape from the sun's rays.
Children splash in the shallows, their laughter carried by the sea breeze, while couples stroll hand in hand along the shore, their footsteps leaving fleeting imprints on the sand.
As twilight falls Sozopol's enchanting evenings, as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the town, Sozopol takes on an ethereal quality.
The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, with streaks of orange, pink, and purple reflecting on the surface of the Black Sea. The air cools, carrying with it the scent of blooming jasmine and the tang of salt.
The harbor, once a hive of activity, settles into a peaceful rhythm. Fishing boats, their day's work done, bob gently on the water, their silhouettes stark against the fiery sky. The sound of laughter and clinking glasses spills from restaurants and taverns as locals and visitors alike gather to savor the day's catch.
As darkness descends, Sozopol streets take on a magical ambience. The soft glow of lanterns illuminates the cobblestone paths, casting dancing shadows on the ancient walls. The sound of music, some traditional, some contemporary, drifts through the air, inviting passers-by to pause and enjoy the moment.
Whether you choose to spend your evening enjoying a leisurely meal at a waterfront restaurant, sipping cocktails at a rooftop bar with panoramic views of the illuminated coastline, or simply wandering through the enchanting streets, Sozopol's evenings offer an unforgettable blend of romance, tranquility, and the simple joys of life by the sea. Sozopol, where history meets the sea. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, Sozopol stands as a timeless testament to the enduring spirit of the Bulgarian Black Sea coast. From its ancient Greek origins to its vibrant present, Sozopol has witnessed the ebb and flow of civilizations, each leaving an indelible mark on its soul. More than just a picturesque coastal town, Sozopol is a journey through time. Wander through the labyrinthine streets of the old town, where centuries-old wooden houses whisper tales of Bulgarian resilience, and you'll feel the pulse of history beneath your feet. Explore the weathered stones of ancient city walls, remnants of a bygone era, when Sozopol stood as a beacon of trade and cultural exchange, and you'll sense the echoes of generations past. But Sozopol is not frozen in time. The laughter of children playing on the beach, the clatter of dishes from seaside restaurants serving the day's fresh catch, and the melodies of traditional music blending with contemporary beats all speak to a town that embraces both its rich heritage and its vibrant present. So, come, lose yourself in the timeless allure of Sozopol. Explore its ancient ruins, savor the flavors of its cuisine, and embrace the warmth of its people. Discover for yourself why Sozopol, where history meets the sea, is a journey that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. Thanks for watching our video on Bulgaria's Black Sea coast. We invite you to visit travelwithglen.com for exclusive travel tips and content. Also, check out our latest travel books and get inspired for your next journey. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe for more adventures from Travel with Glen. If you have a travel story to share, we would love for you to share it here with us. Until the next time, happy travels.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks,